Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by choosing cold, thin bacon because it crisps evenly. Fresh sliced works best. Once you have 8 to 12 strips, cut each strip lengthwise into 1/2 to 3/4 width ribbons so they mimic bandages. Make sure the oven is already preheating to 200 degrees C, 390 degrees F, and a foil-lined tray is ready. This prevents sticking and concentrates heat. While it heats, set out toothpicks and a cooling rack so the assembly step moves without. You now build the mummy look by laying a short base, mini sausages, cheese logs, or breadsticks, then wrapping ribbons across at a slight angle. Once done, overlap each wrap about 30 to 50% so the pattern reads as cloth instead of a single strip. This also ensures even cooking. Make sure to tuck the start and end under and secure with toothpicks where necessary. Then place each piece on a cooling rack over the tray so hot air circulates and fat drains away. You finish by baking the assembled mummies for about 18 to 25 minutes until golden and crisp. Once done, let them rest for 3 to 5 minutes so fat firms and bands hold shape. Make sure to remove toothpicks carefully after resting, then serve warm. If you see uneven browning, rotate the tray midway and verify oven temperature with a thermometer, because many ovens run hot or cool in spots. Adjust time by a few minutes and use foil tenting for edges that.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.